of Yarmouth Harbor I was standing as a cabin boy on a sailing lugger for to hunt the bonny shores. Now you're up on deck, you're a fisherman. You can swear and show a manly bearing. Take your turn and watch with the other as you hunt